Your life may feel heavy right now. Things may not be going the way you want. You try hard, you pray, but it feels like nothing is working. But here is something you must remember. Every struggle, every delay, every tear has a meaning. Allah has a plan for you. A plan more beautiful than you can imagine. Your heart may feel restless, but this restlessness is guiding you to something better, something only Allah can give. Think about the times when you felt lost, when doors closed, and life seemed unfair. Those moments were shaping you. Every difficulty is like a small step toward something greater. You may feel alone, but you are never alone. Allah sees every heartbeat and hears every unspoken word. Sometimes, blessings are hidden in challenges. Sometimes, the right path takes time, patience, and trust. Look around you. Life is full of small miracles. A kind word, a smile from someone, a moment of clarity when you feel confused. These are signs that Allah is with you. You may not see the whole picture now, but every setback, every quiet night of prayer, is leading you to something wonderful. You are being prepared for the beautiful plan Allah has for you. You do not need to rush life or force things to happen. Every step, even the hard ones, is part of the plan. Trust your journey. Trust the timing. Trust Allah, who knows everything. Your patience today will bring happiness tomorrow. Life's beauty is not in instant success. It is in keeping faith when things are hard, in standing strong when the world tests you. When worry comes, when doubt whispers, remember this. Allah sees you. Allah hears you. Allah is guiding you. Your efforts are never wasted. Every prayer, every tear, every honest effort is shaping your future. Trust that the struggles are temporary, that mercy is waiting for you, and that the plan for your life is perfect. Keep your heart open. Keep moving forward with hope. Be kind, speak the truth, and live knowing you are exactly where you need to be. Allah's plan is beautiful, and it is meant for you. Your story is still being written. The best parts are still coming. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs hope. Like and subscribe to see more messages that lift your heart.